So here's a summary of the quenching methods. The effects produced by different quenching techniques can vary widely. Water, brine, oil, and air are used to generate specific results when they are used as a quenching media. The rate of speed at which the quenching occurs can have various effects on the cooling process. When compared to the speed of quenching methods, the following principles apply. Remember these. Water and brine quenching are the fastest. Oil quenching is the next fastest. Air quenching is the slowest. Quenching is designed to impart hardness and strength to materials. The different levels of hardness and strength produced by the quenching media can be compared as follows. Water and brine produce the greatest strength and hardness. Oil produces less strength and hardness. Air produces the least strength and hardness. However, the addition of expensive alloys to a metal can cause air-quenched steel to attain a hardness that is comparable to that of materials quenched in oil, water, or brine. Due to the nature of quenching, the danger of producing internal stresses, distortions, and cracking always must be considered. Each quenching media is rated as follows. Air quenching is best because it is the least drastic and incurs the least amount of warpage, soft spots, cracking. Oil quenching is more likely to cause internal stresses, distortion, or cracking. And then water and brine quenching media are most likely to cause internal stresses, distortion, and cracking. So, as a metallurgist or a welder or a machinist or even a CAD designer, you have to figure out what is the best quenching medium for the job that you have at hand. Does the part need to be hard and strong? Would a certain amount of distortion or cracking be detrimental to the part? Those are the things that you need to decide, depending on the application. Figure 1111 in your book. And you can refer back to this when you're taking your tests. But water and brine quenching is the most drastic, most hardness and strength, least resistance to distortion and cracking. Oil quenching, less drastic, but you get less hardness and strength, and it is more resistant than water or brine quenching to distortion and cracking. Air quenching is the least drastic, or the gentlest form of heat treating and quenching, but you do get the least hardness and strength and most resistance to distortion and cracking.